What's your name?
Miel.
What's your name?
Gabriella.
What are you doing outside in this huge rainstorm?
We're going to walk to that pole.
Okay, do it. Be careful going down the steps.
We will. You like it, I like it.
Oh man, it's really raining. Think Mommy's gonna be mad that you're outside in the rain?
Maybe.
Alright, go back. Go back in. Alright, put your head up like this so the water lands right on your face. How's it feel?
My eyes hurt.
Yeah, and your glasses are soaked, as are mine.
No,
Alright, go
no,
ahead.
I mean because it's the sun for some reason. So
Oh yeah, even with the clouds, it's kind of glary, isn't it? Alright, get in. It's raining hard now. Go in. Bye. Come on, Gabby.